How to use Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Spotify. Now, basically Spotify is an app that you can listen to various podcasts and musics and other stuffs. Now here, if you open up Spotify, you can log into your account. You'll get a login interface right away. You can log in using your Google or Facebook and or any other methods available. And once you log into it, here you can get interface like this. Now, here what you can do is when you are online on Spotify, if you are on the free version or the free account, you can simply listen to albums. You can search in for the albums from the search bar below here, and you can search for podcasts, live events, and you can see various options here. You can search in for the particular albums or artists or songs here, and you can open up the album and you can listen to them. Now you can download the songs offline so that you can download even when you're offline, but you'll need to have premium account. Now you can get the premium account by tapping on the premium option at the very bottom right corner of your screen, and there you'll be able to get premium, and you can see the benefits of getting the premium there. You can download to listen offline, you can listen ad-free music, you can get higher sound quality and play songs in any order without skips, and you can cancel monthly plans anytime. So basically these are the ways you can use Spotify for. And if you want to change some settings, what you can do is simply tap on the settings icon at the very top right corner of the screen at the home page here, and you'll see various settings here. You can choose and edit your settings here. So these are the ways you can use Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.